Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can remove or clear your entire search history on Perplexity AI in 2026. So let us guide you through this. There are two ways how you can do this, guys. You can clear your entire search history or selected entries from it. So to do that, navigate to Perplexity AI, for example, via the web version here on Google Chrome, log into your account to gain access to your personalized search history, and navigate to search history on your left-hand side. And here you will see all threads you have had so far or conversations here with Perplexity AI. So if you'd like to select or to remove specific threads, click into these three dots next to it, select delete. Or if you'd like to clear your entire search history, click into these three dots on top right, select delete all, confirm by clicking to delete threads, and that is going to remove all of them. Now I'm going to cancel that, because I would like to keep my search history. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.